Jai Jagannath, welcome to Unknown Astrologer again. Now we'll analyze the much talked about matter, that is Chat GPT. YouTube, everywhere, all news articles are flooded over this artificial intelligence innovation, Chat GPT. Can this Chat GPT solve human issues, and can it in astrological sciences, can it also provide answers? Can a person who is looking towards an astrologer to provide solutions through an occult science of astrology, can he take help of Chat GPT? These are the areas we will discuss now. In this video, we will discuss the following things. How a Chat GPT account is open, and what is Chat GPT, how to put a query in Chat GPT, how to get the answers there. Many people must be knowing. For those who do not know, it will be quite helpful in this video. And we'll put some queries on relating to astrology, and we'll see how it is responding to us, and we'll create a birth chart through chat gpt. We'll see that whether it is able to create a birth chart or not. Then we'll compare with the real time creating a chart through some different software, and we will analyze how much it is accurate, and then we'll put some queries and compare whether it is functioning like a astrologer. Can it replace an astrologer's role? Here I have provided a link how to go to OpenAI and ChatGPT screen. After you logged in, it will share a code, a verification code through to your WhatsApp number. After you verify it, you can go through ChatGPT. First, we ask the query, what is ChatGPT, to ChatGPT itself. ChatGPT conveyed that it's an language model created by OpenAI. OpenAI is a organization created by entrepreneurs like Elon Musk to further the artificial intelligence. So ChatGPT works collecting data through various internet and all the input already available, and it collects and provides the information in a brief form. It's like it creates a scenario like a two human beings are interacting. Any query it is put in Google, you find thousands of answers, and you get confused that which is right or wrong. ChatGPT is trying to solve that problem. It is like a student is asking his teacher, or a child is asking to his father or mother about a question, and he is getting a specific answer. The ChatGPT OpenAI's objective is to give specific answer rather than confusing and giving many answers where people get confused. It's a quite a great initiative. I will believe if it succeeds, many of the human issues will be resolved. It provides a chat box where you need to write a query, and post that the answers will be coming. You should try and explore it. We will analyze how ChatGPT is functioning after we put some queries into that. We have jotted down the following 8 queries that we will be asking ChatGPT, and from there we will validate the accuracy level of ChatGPT regarding its understanding on astrology as a occult science. The first question that we asked ChatGPT is, how accurate is ChatGPT regarding astrological predictions? ChatGPT conveyed that it does not endorse that astrology as a science, and whatever the data it is providing is out of collecting various inputs available in the internet or different forums, and it cannot guarantee the accuracy of that. It is just for your information, it will provide you on astrology. To evaluate how to ChatGPT is analyzing a birth chart, first we created a one birth chart through a software, and we have given an input. The birth date is 1st January year 2000, and time of birth is 1 a.m., and the place of birth is New Delhi. Our software has given the following data, that person's sun sign will be Capricorn, his moon sign or Rasi will be Libra, and the ascendant will be Virgo, and moon will be in Libra, Venus in Scorpio, and Mercury and Sun in Sagittarius. Ketu in Capricorn and Mars in Aquarius, Jupiter and Saturn in Aries, Rahu in Cancer. We have given the same input details to ChatGPT about the birth data, timing, and place of birth. And ChatGPT could not provide all informations correctly, and we have first time it did not give a proper response. Then we tried through regenerate the response, and we got a second response also. When first time the answers were not perfectly coming, we have regenerated a response here for the same birth chart, and this is where we have put how different planets are positioned, and this is the evaluation of ChatGPT on that birth chart. When you are evaluating and comparing how ChatGPT's answers were there and how and Vedic astrology software is finding out about the sun sign, both are accurate. About the moon sign, ChatGPT answered wrongly. About the ascendant, ChatGPT answered wrongly. Mercury in which sign, that is the right answer, but the degrees and all given by ChatGPT were not accurate. Venus in which sign, ChatGPT answered wrongly, and the degree is also wrong. Mars in which sign, that is accurately answered by ChatGPT, but the degrees are not properly provided by ChatGPT. Jupiter and Saturn in which sign, that also ChatGPT provided wrongly, and the degrees also were provided wrongly. I could not tabulate more, but most of the data provided by ChatGPT were wrong compared to a astrological software. Providing the same birth detail, we put a query that when I will get a job. ChatGPT told I am not an astrologer. You need to consult an astrologer who have knowledge on this and it cannot forecast on this. Providing the same birth details, we asked ChatGPT when I will get married. ChatGPT conveyed the same response that it's not an astrologer and it cannot analyze this and you need to consult an astrologer for this. For the same birth chart, again we put a query that when my Sadesati Saturn is running, or which we call Saturn Dhaya, whether it is running or not. So this was a perfect answer given by ChatGPT. So it gets a full mark ChatGPT for this. Providing the same birth chart, we asked ChatGPT to determine whether any Kala Sarpa dosha is visible in this birth chart. ChatGPT declined conveying that it does not have knowledge and you need to consult an astrologer to understand whether Kala Sarpa dosha is available or not. We asked whether any Raja Yogas are there in this birth chart. ChatGPT conveyed that it cannot answer it. An astrologer needs to be consulted for understanding whether any Raja Yoga is there in this birth chart. In this birth chart, which is generated through our software, the Rahu is in the 11th house. We put a query: what is Rahu's in the 11th house? How is the impact of on this subjected person? So ChatGPT could give some general traits of Rahu acting in 11th house for any human being. However, those who are partially accurate and may not be fully accurate, and it cannot relate to the other aspects interface over that person. So therefore, it just generated information in through internet that how Rahu in the 11th house works, not relating to the ascendant or any other planets positioned there on the conjunction. So we can say it is a partially correct information ChatGPT has provided here. After evaluating, we find that ChatGPT is a great initiative toward artificial intelligence and machine learning. But ChatGPT is in the beginning, a very beginning stage, a nascent stage. It requires a lot of time and effort now. We have to wait and watch how it will become. Here we have put 8 questions. 2 were subjective questions and 6 were objective questions. Subjective means somebody can give an answer round and roundabout, but objective questions answers can be same for the same for that query. There will not be any deviation. But ChatGPT could give partially correct answer to the 2 subjective questions. Mostly the responses were not accurate, and those subjective questions also. And the six number of objective questions what we asked, except that Sade Sati Dahiya, other than that, all were incorrect answers. Or the ChatGPT declined, saying that it is not an astrologer. You need to go and consult an astrologer for that. So broadly, ChatGPT needs to dwell deep into analyzing any Vedic astrology. Maybe it has to incorporate into its model some kind of astrological software which can interpret things and all. So that's not there at now. And objective answers, it is completely failing. ChatGPT, when you put a mathematical question or something, I have observed that it is giving a perfect answer. However, pertaining to astrology, it is completely giving wrong answer. Most of the areas, whenever a objective question is put, it is giving a wrong answer. So now Vedic astrologer is given a astrologer's role here comes into play, because everywhere it is says you need to consult an astrologer. So there is a one apprehension. Few forums they discuss that whether it can replace in future. At the time being, we can say that still ChatGPT has to go a long way, where we can say astrologer's role is completely eliminated, and a person can go and seek a question and get an answer from ChatGPT perfectly accurately. So I wish ChatGPT team OpenAI will gradually improve, and it will bring a marvelous product in future. Thanks for watching this video from unknownastrologer.com. Please log into unknownastrologer.com to get. Thanks for watching this video.